Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and I have a little eBay haul. Yes, I've been shopping on eBay. Oh, yeah, this is nice. This is very nice. I have an idea for this fabric. That's probably our receipt. Isn't this beautiful? I got a yard of it. It's metallic gold, white on black, and I really like it. Beautiful. Okay, I have fallen back into the American Girl rabbit hole, and I have to shut eBay pages. I just do. Enough is enough. But I'm having such fun. I really am having fun. And I could not resist this girl. She had very fair shipping. I can't remember what it was, $5. I don't even think it was $5. And she was listed as $4, I think. And I was watching her. Let's pull this off her face. And I got a message they were going to offer her to me for $3. Well, how am I going to resist that? So welcome, Grace. And Darren has been making shoes for these little girls. Look at her beautiful hair. I mean, she's in fantastic shape. I'm going to run a comb through her hair and look at her, probably run a wipe over her. But I don't think I'm going to give her a full-blown bath. Is this the outfit she came in? I am not that familiar with their meet outfits and names, all that stuff. I know this is Grace, and I think this is her original outfit. Yeah, it's got an Age American Girl tag. These are the newer ones that have the plastic bodies. The older girls have the fabric bodies, like the 18-inch dolls. All right, let's see what this is, as if I didn't know. Oh, let me fix my handy dandy open package scissors. My son sent me those. Okay, there's a seller on eBay that has the most reasonable AG clothing. This is not a commercial. I paid for this. I found the seller, and I don't give links for free. But I got a little Thanksgiving outfit. Look at these little shoes. And look at this. Little pockets, little belt loops. I mean, it's not perfect, but doggone, that's cute. I think I paid $9.88 plus, and the bear came with it. $9.98 plus $4 shipping. That's incredibly cute for my little boy. For Thanksgiving. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.